Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a statutory declaration form for an Australian visa. So, if that's what you're here for, let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to jump into here is this is the form that you will be using. You can see over here it is from the Commonwealth of Australia, and here we are going to insert the name, address and occupation of the person making the declaration. This should be you in this case. The next thing we're going to discuss is the matter declared to in numbered paragraphs. So this makes it quite clear that you need to make sure all of the detail is in over here. It also says that I believe that the statements in this declaration are true and in every particular, and I understand that a person who intentionally makes a false statement in a statutory declaration is guilty of an offense under this section right over here, and it is punishable, for which is imprisonment for a term of 4 years. Make sure that you put the information in here correctly. Also, you need to add in a signature, and then you need an email address, a telephone number. You want to also add the place that you're making this declaration, a day, month, and a year. And over here, you are going to add in the signature of a witness, somebody who has observed this declaration being filled in. You want a full name, a qualification, and the address of the person observing this declaration. And then you also want some contact details. So this will be an email address, telephone number of that person that is observing this declaration. The next section will just give you some information as to some of the terms that are made or used within the declaration, and also a list of individuals, as it says here: a person who is currently licensed or registered under a law to practice in one of the following occupations. So you can go through this if you meet any of these requirements. And there you go, you've now filled in a statutory declaration form for a Australian visa. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.